like the fireworks on the 4th of July. I see all of your beauty, your sensitivity, your kindness. Well, that's not all the time, but a lot of the times I see your kindness.
Don't let go, don't give up, there's rest for your weary soul, and time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told, and hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of hope. I can't comprehend what you've been through. I wish it was all just pretend, just an awful dream, but please don't let your heart grow dead, for God restores and brings hope and grace and truth and life. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. Grace is the reason why we're both alive, so we'll pour out grace until we die. Both alive, so we'll pour out grace until we die. If you could lose With a heart of gold, I can give it all to you. With a heart of gold, I can buy the world for you. But for now I am just flesh and blood, that's true. With my heart of gold,
Te veo y no puedo creer cómo has crecido, pues ayer solo eras mi bebé. Felicidades en tu día y lo mejor del mundo. I love you. Te amo.
Some place or position. You are you, and you are beautiful. I know sometimes you might feel lost in the shuffle, being the middle one, because maybe you're not the first for everything or the youngest for everything, but you are never really lost, mi amor. Can the sun really be lost in the sky? I don't think so. You shine that bright. And that leads me to my next point. I need you to know that I see you. All the things you do to draw my attention to yourself are really not necessary because I see you. I see you.
Goes to both of my parents who have been working so hard this past year and a half on making this night perfect and exactly how I imagined it.
Minds of gold, heart